lot of moving parts today, friends. Trying to beat some rain. You got Brad here. He's got his hoe, nice size hoe, and new hydrant here. Of course, we snipped 2 power lines. Shed parts came in today, so we got those from the Tri-State Lumber. And let's see, oh, we moved the big wood boiler. That was fun. Brad picked that right up right there. Gonna throw that on a trailer. And yeah, we're getting some stuff done here before the rain comes. Look at all the color we got. We got Yamaha, we got Brad's Chevy pickup, we got Brad's Bobcat. Let's see, oh, we got the in-laws. They need to have a Porsche. Got the old hoe. Let's see what else we got. Oh, we got a John Deere. Don't forget about the John Deere. We got the good old utility trailer, you know, full of junk. Toyota, we got you covered. Alice, we got you covered. That one's for sale, actually. The old Duramax. Oh, we got one here too. This would still go with a horse. Got a few of these. This has come from the auction yesterday, and oh yeah, we got the Cub. We got the A. This big gooseneck is for sale too. And then we got the Farmhall C in there. So a lot of moving parts. Oh yeah, we got the heavy disturbance tool there for flower farming. Oh, and don't forget that. That's all irrigation line for the flower farm. So a lot of stuff going on here in southeast Minnesota before the rain comes, and now they're calling 6 inches of snow. So we're gonna keep on trucking, get Brad and my son Eli some lunch. Of course, everybody's sick, Chrissy and all 4 of the other kids. So, and yeah, we'll get after it. Here's the man for the job. He's multi-purpose today, which he doesn't like, but we're in good shape. Look at, Eli's got all his tools too. He didn't even charge me rent. So, all right, with that, friends, we are gonna sign off. Talk to you later.